हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं साहिल और आप देख रहे हैं साहिल ट्यूटर। इस वीडियो में मैं पीजीआई चंडीगढ़ के ओटी टेक्नीशियन के एग्जाम के लिए मैं डोस बुक में जो हर चैप्टर के लिए एमसीक्यू दिए गए हैं वे एमसीक्यू मैं आपको प्रैक्टिस करवाऊंगा। चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द मोस्ट फ्रिक्वेंटली रिपोर्टेड malfunction in medical gas pipeline system is. Options are inadequate pressure, cross connection, excessive pressure and alarm dysfunction. Right option is A, inadequate pressure. Next question is compressed air is most often supplied by. Options are cylinder banks, concentrator, compressor and liquid container. Right option is compressor. Next question is the disk diameter index safety system is used for devices at pressure of dash or less. Options are 345 kilopascal, 690 kilopascal, 1000 kilopascal and 1380 kilopascal. Right option is A, 345 kilopascal. Next question is what are the result of increased pressure in the oxygen pipeline system? Options are increased airway pressure, gas blender malfunction, flow meter rupture and ventilator malfunction. Right option is ventilator malfunction. Next question is central gas supply may be located. Options are inside in a special room used only for this purpose, outdoors, in an enclosure, in a non-sterile area, in the operating room site. Right options are A, B and C. Inside in a special room used for only this purpose, outdoor and in an enclosure. Next question is oxygen may be supplied to the pipeline system by. Options are G and H cylinder, oxygen concentrator, bulk liquid system and C cylinder. Right option A and C, G and H cylinder, bulk liquid system. Next question is vaporization of liquid oxygen in a bulk tank will result in. Options are loss of oxygen to the atmosphere, loss of oxygen that may be greater than demand, significant loss of oxygen even though there is no use, less loss if the rate of the use is low. Right option is C, significant loss of oxygen even though there is no use. Next question is heat must be supplied to vaporize liquid oxygen because. Options are liquid oxygen will freeze because of the low storage temperature. As the temperature fall, the pressure in the tank fall. Vaporization causes the pressure to fall. The heat of vaporization will cause the temperature to fall. Right option is D. The heat of vaporization will cause the temperature to fall. Next question is a master alarm system panel should be located. Options are in the office of the person responsible for the maintenance of the system, in the operating room, at the switchboard or security office, in critical care areas. Right option is C, at the switchboard or security office. Next question is the disk diameter index safety system. Options are is used for gases at pressure of 250 psi or less, is used at all wall outlet, achieve non-interchangeability by using different screw thread, is required on all pipeline inlet on anesthesia machines. Right option is achieve non-interchangeability using different screw thread. Next question is pre-use testing of a pipeline system should include. Options are pressure testing, purge testing, testing for cross connections, testing for the purity of the gases. All four options are right options: pressure testing, purge testing and testing for cross connection and testing for the purity of gases. Next question is quick connector. Options are provide non-interchangeable connections, allow apparatus to be connected or disconnected by a single action, may require the use of one or both hand, do not require the use of tool. All four options are correct option. Next question is cross connection of pipeline. Options are most commonly involve oxygen and nitrogen, may be caused by device not in use, can be detected by alarm, are most commonly associated with construction, alteration and repair. Right option is D, are most commonly associated with construction, alteration and repair. Next question is, which component are the part of medical gas distribution system? Options are terminal unit, central supply, pipelines and hoses between the wall outlet and the anesthesia machine. All the components are part of medical gas distribution system. All four options are correct. Next question is, location of area alarm include. Options are critical life support area, upstream of a shutoff valve in anesthetizing location, each anesthetizing location, downstream of the shutoff valve in the critical life support areas. Right option is D, downstream of the shutoff valve in the critical life support areas. Next question is, which of the following activate an alarm? Options are the main supply reaches 2 days supply, the reserve supply began to supply the system, the reserve supply reaches an average of 2 days supply, the secondary supply began to supply the system. Right option is D, the secondary supply began to supply the system. Subscribe for next part and share this video with your friend, and thank you for watching my videos.